Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone and iOS version so tools behave predictably. Open Photos and pick the image or live photo you want. You need correct aspect ratio to avoid unexpected crops. Once chosen, tap Edit for quick exposure or straighten adjustments. This matters because Wallpaper uses the image's crop area. Make sure perspective zoom, if present, is toggled the way you prefer. This changes motion and parallax. Now proceed to Wallpaper settings to place the. You now go to Settings, Wallpaper, and add new wallpaper to control placement precisely. Use pinch to zoom and drag to move and scale so important content isn't under the clock. This is why framing matters. Choose still versus perspective. Still keeps image fixed. Perspective adds depth but may crop more. Once satisfied, tap Set and select Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. If you use widgets, check the lock screen preview to ensure legibility and contrast before finalizing. You finish by tapping Set and confirming lock screen, home screen, or both. Check each preview so time, widgets, and readability remain clear. If the wallpaper won't apply, restart your iPhone and retry. This often clears temporary glitches. Make sure reduce motion and perspective zoom settings aren't interfering. Toggle them to test. If resolution or unexpected cropping persists, return to Photos, export a correctly sized image, and reapply. This solves most scaling and parallax problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.